The hidden dangers of flax seeds, mistakes to steer clear of. The right way to use seeds. Greetings, everyone. Today, we embark on an enlightening journey through the realm of health and nutrition, focusing our attention on the humble yet mighty flax seeds. In this comprehensive discourse, we'll delve into the scientific intricacies of flax seeds, exploring their myriad benefits, potential drawbacks, optimal usage, and broader implications for health and well-being. Flax seeds, extracted from the versatile flax plant, Linum usitatissimum, stand as a testament to nature's abundance and wisdom. Revered for centuries, these tiny marvels are celebrated for their unparalleled nutritional richness and therapeutic virtues. Within their diminutive confines lie a wealth of essential nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, fiber, and protein, each contributing to a symphony of health benefits. Despite their modest size, flax seeds punch well above their weight, offering a holistic approach to wellness that resonates with both tradition and modern science. As we unravel the layers of their nutritional complexity, we uncover not just seeds, but potent catalysts for vitality and longevity. Before we dive into the fascinating world of incorporating flax seeds into our daily nutrition, it's imperative to shed light on potential red flags. Imagine this as our health checkpoint before setting forth on our journey. Individuals grappling with thyroid disorders, allergies to flax seeds, or sensitive stomachs should heed caution or seek guidance from a healthcare professional. It's like having a trusted navigator by your side on this voyage. And for expecting mothers, consulting with a healthcare provider is non-negotiable to ensure a smooth and safe passage for both mother and baby when considering flax seed inclusion. Let's set sail with wisdom and precaution, ensuring a journey filled with health and vitality. Let's delve into the intricacies of dosing with the allure of a captivating tale. Imagine starting your journey with flax seeds like embarking on a grand adventure. We begin with a cautious approach, akin to testing the waters before diving in. A mere half teaspoon serves as our compass, guiding us gently into the realm of flax seed consumption. It's a delicate dance of observation and adaptation as we listen to our body's whispers of tolerance and acceptance. As our confidence grows, so does our dosage, gradually increasing like the rising crescendo of a symphony until we reach our desired maximum of 2 tablespoons per day. It's a journey of self-discovery and empowerment, where each step forward brings us closer to our health goals. So let's embark on this voyage with curiosity and determination, ready to chart our course towards vibrant well-being, 1 teaspoon at a time. Now, let's unravel the nutritional profile of flax seeds, which serves as the cornerstone of their health-promoting effects. In just 1 tablespoon, flax seeds boast a balanced composition of macronutrients, including 55 calories, 4.2 grams of fat, 3 grams of carbohydrates, and 2 grams of protein. However, it's the fiber content that truly sets flax seeds apart, with 2.8 grams of dietary fiber per tablespoon. Of particular note are the soluble and insoluble fibers present in flax seeds, comprising 60 to 80% and 20 to 40% of the total fiber content, respectively. These fibers play pivotal roles in gastrointestinal health, facilitating regularity, aiding in digestion, and promoting overall gut health. As per Ayurvedic wisdom, a healthy gut serves as the foundation of holistic well-being, underscoring the importance of nurturing gut health through dietary interventions like flax seeds. Just as the seasons change, so too should our approach to integrating flax seeds into our diet. Imagine it as a dance with nature, adjusting our steps to the rhythm of the seasons. During the winter months, when hearty soups and warm meals reign supreme, we can embrace a higher intake of flax seeds to nourish and fortify our bodies against the cold. It's like wrapping ourselves in a cozy blanket of nutrition. In contrast, as the summer sun beckons us outdoors, a more moderate approach is warranted, like a refreshing breeze to complement the season's lighter fare. This adaptive strategy ensures that we make the most of flax seeds' nutritional bounty while staying attuned to our body's changing needs throughout the year. Let's sway with the seasons and savor the harmony of health and nature. To unlock the full nutritional potential of flax seeds, we must embark on a culinary journey that not only enhances their flavor but also maximizes their health benefits. Picture this as unraveling a gourmet mystery, where each preparation method adds layers of richness and depth to our culinary canvas. Enter the world of sprouting and dry roasting, where simple seeds undergo a metamorphosis into nutritional powerhouses. Sprouting, akin to awakening dormant potential, involves soaking flax seeds overnight and allowing them to germinate. This process not only neutralizes phytic acid, a natural compound that can hinder mineral absorption, but also activates enzymes that enhance nutrient bioavailability. It's like unlocking a hidden treasure trove of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants ready to nourish our bodies from within. Dry roasting, on the other hand, adds a tantalizing depth of flavor to our flax seeds while further reducing their phytic acid content. Imagine the aroma of freshly roasted seeds filling the air, enticing our senses with promises of culinary delight. This transformative process not only enhances the nutty flavor profile of flax seeds but also makes them more digestible and nutrient-rich. It's like turning ordinary seeds into gourmet delicacies, elevating our culinary creations to new heights of flavor and nutrition. As we embark on this culinary adventure, let us not forget the importance of mindful preparation. Whether sprouting or dry roasting, each method requires patience, attention to detail, and a dash of creativity. It's a labor of love, a testament to our dedication to nourishing our bodies and enriching our lives with the wholesome goodness of flax seeds. For ease of consumption and storage, grinding flax seeds into a fine powder post-roasting is recommended. This powdered form can be conveniently incorporated into various culinary creations, from smoothies and oatmeal to baked goods and savory dishes. Storing the powdered flax seeds in an airtight container in the refrigerator preserves freshness and extends shelf life, ensuring optimal quality and potency. In addition to proper preparation and dosage considerations, it's essential to pair flax seeds with sources of dietary fat to enhance nutrient absorption. Whether blended into a creamy smoothie or sprinkled over a bowl of yogurt, combining flax seeds with fats facilitates the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients and maximizes their health-promoting effects. Hydration also plays a crucial role in optimizing the benefits of flax seeds. Due to their high fiber content, flax seeds have a remarkable capacity to absorb water, aiding in digestion and promoting satiety. Adequate hydration is therefore paramount when consuming flax seeds, ensuring optimal digestive function and maximizing their therapeutic potential. Dispelling common misconceptions surrounding flax seeds is equally important in fostering informed dietary choices. Contrary to prevailing beliefs, flax seeds can play a beneficial role in cholesterol management and hormonal balance. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and lignans, flax seeds exert cardioprotective effects by modulating lipid profiles and promoting estrogen balance, particularly in women. Furthermore, flax seeds offer multifaceted benefits beyond cardiovascular health, including support for bone health, menstrual regularity, skin integrity, and appetite control. By addressing underlying imbalances and promoting overall well-being, flax seeds emerge as a versatile and indispensable component of a holistic approach to health and nutrition. In conclusion, the journey through the world of flax seeds unveils a treasure trove of nutritional riches, ripe for exploration and utilization. From their humble origins as tiny seeds to their transformative potential as dietary powerhouses, flax seeds embody nature's wisdom and resilience. By harnessing the science-backed insights shared in this discourse, you can embark on a journey towards vibrant health and well-being, one flax seed at a time. So, let's embrace the abundance of nature, nourish our bodies with wholesome foods like flax seeds, and cultivate a vibrant state of health and vitality. Together, let's sow the seeds of well-being and harvest a bountiful harvest of health and happiness. Remember, the journey to optimal health begins with a single seed, and with flax seeds, the possibilities are truly endless.